sleeping on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir. Folks dress up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the seasons bright. Tiny cats with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child gonna spy to see if reindeers really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple praise to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Never I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the street. I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in our hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a brighter tomorrow, when nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. The seasons may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. These seasons may they'll guide us as another New Year starts, and maybe the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Sana ngayong Pasko ay makalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit wala ka na, umaarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Kahit makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. I give you my heart from the very next day. You turn it away. This year, you saved me from tears. I gave it to someone special. Christmas, I give you my heart from the very next day. You turn it away. This year, turn it away. I gave it to someone special. Pasko ay sumapit, tayong ay magsiawit ng magagandang himig. Dahil ang Diyos ay pag-ibig, nang si Kristo ay isilang, may 3 haring nagsidalaw, at ang bawat isa ay nagsipaghandog ng tanging alay. Bagong taon ay magbagong buhay.